Hi everybody, I'm Diego. I want to share this illustration with you. It is the main character of a book I'm writing. His name is Harakh and he is a blacksmith and an adventurer. This is the first time I'm using Clip Studio Paint to make an illustration. I usually use Krita for illustrations and the Clip Studio for comics. This illustration took me about 4 hours of work. The Speedpaint is about 20 times faster than the normal process. As you have seen, at the beginning of this drawing I used a 3D mannequin because I couldn't get the character in the pose I wanted. Maybe because after midnight my drawing skills fade away. The second step was to draw a line art of the character. I often use the line art to check the matching of the painting process with the initial idea and to fix the edges of the character and the objects. The third step was to create a general color palette for the background. From then on, I started experimenting with brushes and setting in order to define additional levels of detail. In the standard drawing process, the details have to be added little by little. But I let myself get carried away and immediately started to finalize each part. During the anvil coloring process, first I fixed the base colors and then applied a photo as a texture. As you can see, I spent a lot of time on the anvil because for me it was the texting bench for the brushes and the other functions of Clip Studio Paint. Another complicated part were the skin tones because of the light from the bottom to the top. It's one of my favorite illumination, but I can't always render it as I would like. It wasn't easy to find the Harakh shirt because the folds of the left arm, from our point of view, took me a long time and several attempts, but in the end I liked the result. Painting the other arm instead was a piece of cake. To make the surrounding smoke, I tried several brushes and tried to improve them better by changing the settings. I have also spent time creating new brushes to achieve this goal. In the end, the result wasn't so bad. I really liked the light effects I added on a separate layer. I think that in a certain way it allows us to feel the heat and the strength of the burning metal. Then it was time to define the walls and the shadow casted behind the character. I first defined the edges, then I placed some photos as overlay textures. For the ceiling, I chose wooden planks, and then I decided to fade the edges with touches of black airbrush. For the walls, on the left, I put some tools hanging on the wall. While on the right side, I decided to hang some stuff from the ceiling. This is not the best result, but the smoke covers the scene enough. And that's it. The final result is good, even if it can be improved even more. I don't exclude to redefine some detail later on, but for the moment, what you see is the result achieved for this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Comment below and see you in the next video. Bye bye.